What's best about the Clubman is the feel of the iconic Mini's zippiness with more room for cargo and doing so without the more awkward proportions of the more awkward Mini Countryman SUV. The new Untold Edition model doesn't, nor does it get its name from joining the lineup for 2023 and sports sage green exterior paint and leather upholstery in matching hues. The Untold Edition is based on the top-spec iconic trim and also features bright brass exterior and interior details. Unless needing the all-fours all-wheel drive grip for traveling in bad weather, would recommend the Clubman front drive, which is well equipped. The Cooper Clubman runs on 17-inch wheels fitted with run-flat tires, and features automatic projector LED headlights, rain-sensing windshield wipers and power-adjustable heated side mirrors. The cabin is home to luxuries like heated front seats, 2-zone automatic air conditioning and push-key ignition. Also get keyless entry. The Mini offers several driver assist features as standard, such as front collision warning and rear parking sensors. All Mini Cooper Clubman 2023 models are powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that produces 189 horsepower. Mini pairs this power plant with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission and optional all-wheel drive. In our tests, the Cooper Clubman with the previous generation 8-speed automatic sped to 60 miles per hour in 6.6 seconds. With all-wheel drive and a 6-speed manual, the car takes 7.3 seconds to reach 60. Those numbers make it faster than the Fiat 500L, which finished its run in 8.0 seconds. The Cooper Clubman gets high marks for its athletic handling, but sometimes this comes at the expense of ride comfort. If looking for a mini wagon that offers a higher level of performance, check out the Cooper Clubman John Cooper Works, which is reviewed separately. The Mini Cooper Clubman most efficiently manages 25 mpg in the city and 35 mpg on the highway. The all-wheel drive model takes a small hit in fuel economy, hitting 23 mpg city and 32 mpg highway. During his time with Clubman, Cooper Clubman provides cabins with solid build quality and attractive designs. The screen in the center stack is in a circular housing that mimics cheerful round headlights. The cabin looks quaint and cheerful, and the materials are top-notch. Despite the small footprint of the car, there is a fair amount of space available for passengers in both rows. With all the seats in place, the Cooper Clubman provides 13 cubic feet of cargo space. This grew to 44 with the rear seats lowered. That's a lot less space than you'll get with some competitors. For example, the Subaru Outback provides 33 cubic feet of cargo space behind the rear seats and 76 with it lowered. A 6-speaker AM/FM sound system comes standard, as does an auxiliary input jack and streaming audio. Additionally, all models have Bluetooth connectivity, which means you can make and receive phone calls without taking your hands off the wheel. The list of technology options includes integrated navigation, wireless device charging, and an upgraded Harman Kardon sound system. Apple CarPlay capability is optional for those who want to easily connect their iPhone to the interface, but Android users are out of luck.